Ever wondered what the top 5 things every beginner should know about cryptocurrency are? Well, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Its importance in our increasingly digital world cannot be overstated. So buckle up as we journey into the world of digital money. First off, cryptocurrency is decentralized. It operates independently of a central bank without any middlemen. This means transactions are faster, cheaper, and more efficient. It's a revolutionary way of handling money. In other words, no more waiting for bank approval or paying hefty transaction fees. Secondly, the power behind cryptocurrency is something called blockchain technology. It's a clever system that records information in a manner that's near impossible to alter, hack, or cheat. Providing robust security and transparency, it's your personal digital ledger that's practically tamper-proof. Third point, be aware that cryptocurrency is volatile. The value of these digital assets can skyrocket or plummet in a blink. This rollercoaster nature can lead to significant gains or losses for investors. So it's essential to only invest what you can afford to lose. Fourth on our list, cryptocurrency offers a level of privacy and anonymity. While transactions themselves are visible to all, the identities of those involved remain hidden. This provides an unprecedented degree of privacy in the digital world. Think of it as an open book with invisible ink. Finally, there's a wide range of cryptocurrencies out there. Beyond Bitcoin, the most recognized of all, there are thousands more, each boasting unique features and uses. Consider it a digital candy store, every type offering its own distinct flavor and appeal. And that wraps up our top 5 things every beginner should know about cryptocurrency. Remember, it's all about decentralization, giving power back to the people. Blockchain technology is the backbone of it all, providing transparency and security. However, don't forget about the volatility. The prices can swing wildly. But with privacy and anonymity as key features and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from, there's something for everyone. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, you're one step closer to navigating the world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights.